In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate an observer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I'm going to be teaching you how to craft the observer. This can be done by using cobblestone, redstone dust, and other quartz in this orientation. So 1 quartz, 2 redstone dust, and 6 cobblestone per observer. When you place down the observer, you will notice that it has a face. You need to point this face towards what it is observing. As the name suggests, it will observe any block or any entity for changes. So in this example here, the face is pointing this way. So if I do anything on the block in front of it, it will detect updates. So I have a redstone repeater hooked up to the back to this red dot here at the back, and I'm going to put one on the side. You will notice that if I change the block right in front of the face, the redstone repeater at the back activates. But the one on the side doesn't. So only this side here is detecting, or rather sending power, okay? So anytime the observer detects changes to where the face is pointing towards, it will update or rather send a signal. As you can see, every time I place and break blocks, it will send a signal. Another example is this redstone ore. If I activate it by touching it, it also sends one signal. If I use this tool on this dirt block in front of it, it also sends an update. If I open a shulker box in front of it, it also updates, and so on. There are a lot of interactions that observers will detect. Sadly, I cannot showcase all of them in a video of this length, but now you know how the observer works in general, and you can do all sorts of crazy builds and farms using an observer. For example, if you had some sugarcane planted here, as soon as it grew past this point, the observer would activate and you can send a signal to a piston to break it. And you can do all sorts of other redstone machines using these observers. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.